Just screwed up big time. Oh. I was looking at Alright, I got the new radiator. This is a eBay radiator. There's like 3 to choose from, and this was kind of the middle priced one. I think there was one for like 600 bucks, and it was probably almost authentic, which would have been nice, but this was not, and this was an unexpected purchase. So instead of buying the cheapest one, which was an aluminum, I bought this kind of brass remake. The only deal is it doesn't have the welded on nuts for the front shell fender to bolt onto. Before I put this in, I'm gonna clean the front end off. Let's see if I can flush out some of this rusty water that's in here. I got this front end apart. I'm gonna change these belts out. I don't want to get too much going, because I could get lost in fixing this stuff. Well, backwards. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez, make it big enough. There we go. This is the one I need to replace. It's looking pretty bad. Man, that's just barely enough room to get behind there. Got stopped off at O'Reilly's and yeah, I was afraid of that. Got a little heater hose here. It's not really the right one, but it'll do the job. All right. Okay, got my little jar of boiling water here. Let's see if this makes any difference. Gonna do the trick or not. Come on now. Oh shoot, it's hot. Hopefully these fit. I'm concerned about this one. Deja vu. It's gonna be ultra tight. This is a 1/2 inch by 42 inch belt. I was really afraid this is gonna happen, because it was hard just to get it off. Man, that was a tight one. That was a 6842. And all I could get, this is a 17463 for the outer. Let's see how it works. Okay, now there's a lot more. Oh, I gotta oil that. Probably better. Yeah, my older Craftsmans are thinner. Probably because they're made better. Forged in the USA. Just for you, man. Getting that pipe down there. Hitting that guy right there. I think it actually needs to be lifted up a little bit. But I think she's gonna, I think it needs to come up a hair. I think there's supposed to be like a rubber pad under here. Oh, I know what I can do. I can actually loosen these and lift this lower. I think that's... There we go. There we go. Look at that. Let's get this out of here. Yeah. Come on. You know, somehow I managed to lose 2 of these and the pan heads. But I bought these square kind of weld-on nuts, cage nut things. For some reason, I don't know why. Seemed like a good idea. Yeah, it's sucked down too much. I have to put something underneath that. I'm just gonna put these wooden shims under here just to lift it up, and then I see that I know they sell some like rubber mounts. I think I use those on the 15. I might follow up with that sometime later. Okay, I guess. Drop a little transmission fluid in here. Quite a bit more than I expected. Almost a quart. Just bring it up over that gear. I'll have to find the leak on that. I think it's that hard line that comes back off the back of the piston. I've already fixed it once by flaring it. Gallon of distilled water here. Oh, yeah, maybe I should keep that. Might need it. Got another. Oh. Well, she's getting close to the top. Only 2 gallons. That's the bad thing about this. Let's mix up some 50-50. New one. Yeah. I like the old one better anyway. See if she blows up. Put the fenders on, and I gotta put some oil in it too. It's a quart low. It's got a bad oil leak out of the front. The oil pan's gasket's really wet, but I don't think I'd be so lucky as to have that. I'm sure there's probably some kind of seal on the front of the crankshaft leaking. Whoops. That's off of a D17. I thought it might fit. Apparently not. I gotta hammer this puppy back down. Make her fit. Oh, this is sad. Let me go get a hammer.